Do you ever feel stuck, understanding English but struggling to speak or answer quickly? If you're nodding, then this challenge is your game changer. Welcome back, amazing challengers. This is day 7 of your 15-day English Fluency Challenge, and today we're going to turbocharge your English speed and understanding. New here? No worries. Dive into our full challenge playlist linked in the description below. Follow along step by step, and you'll seriously boost your English faster than you think. Stop waiting. Join us. Today, we're playing our interactive Q&A game, officially called Story Comprehension. It's simple. You listen to a story and then quickly answer questions about it. Why is this powerful? It forces your brain to think directly in English and answer instantly without any translating. This builds real-world speed and confidence. You must play along actively because the more you do, the faster you'll see a massive difference in your fluency. To make it even more exciting, we're starting with 5 new common English phrases you'll hear in our story today. Stick with us until the very end. By the time this video finishes, you'll feel a significant boost in your ability to understand and respond quickly in English. Ready to level up your listening and speaking? Let's dive in. Emily's morning meeting. 5 new common phrases. Listen closely to Emily's short story today. Pay attention to the phrases she uses. These are our 5 new common phrases. It was Monday morning, and Emily had an important meeting at work. She arrived a few minutes early, but realized she had forgotten her notebook. "Oh, my bad," she whispered to herself. "I left my notebook at home." Luckily, her colleague Mark had an extra one. Mark handed it to her. "Here, take this one. No biggie," he said, smiling. During the meeting, the team discussed a new project. The manager explained a complex part of the plan. After he finished, Emily looked at her team members. "Is everyone on the same page about the deadlines?" she asked, to make sure everyone understood. Everyone nodded. Later, after the meeting, Mark asked Emily, "So, what was that big project about? Long story short." Emily replied, "Well, long story short, we're launching a new product next month." In the afternoon, Emily had to make a big decision about a design change. She felt unsure. Her boss told her, "Don't decide now, Emily. Why don't you sleep on it and let me know your final choice tomorrow?" Let's break down the phrases. You just heard 5 common phrases in Emily's story. Now, let's look at each one, what it means, and how you can use it. 1. My bad. First up is my bad. This is a very casual and quick way to say my mistake or I apologize. You use it for small errors, like forgetting something or bumping into someone accidentally. Remember when Emily forgot her notebook? She immediately said to herself, "My bad." It's a quick, friendly way to admit a small error. 2. No biggie. Next, we have no biggie. This phrase means no problem, it's not a big deal, or don't worry about it. It's a relaxed way to tell someone that something isn't a problem, especially a small inconvenience. Mark used it when he gave Emily an extra notebook. He said no biggie to show it wasn't a problem for him. 3. On the same page. Then there's on the same page. This excellent phrase means we understand each other or we agree about something. You use it to check if everyone in a group has the same understanding or agreement on a plan or situation. Emily used it in the meeting when she asked, "Is everyone on the same page about the deadlines?" She wanted to ensure clear understanding. 5. Long story short. Our 4th phrase is long story short. This is a great way to tell someone you're going to give them a brief summary of a much longer story or explanation. You use it when you want to get straight to the main point. Mark asked Emily about the meeting, and Emily replied, "Well, long story short, we're launching a new product next month." She quickly summarized the main point. 5. Sleep on it. Finally, we have sleep on it. This phrase means to think about something overnight before making a decision. You use it to suggest or decide to delay a decision until the next day to allow more time for thought. Emily's boss told her to sleep on it when she needed to make a big design change, giving her time to think until tomorrow. Now, let's play Story Comprehension questions. All right, challengers, now that you know the story and the new phrases, it's time to put your listening and thinking skills to the test with our story comprehension questions. Remember, pause the video quickly after each question and try to answer aloud in English. No translating, just try to answer right away. This is how your brain learns to understand and respond directly in English. Every quick answer you give is a step closer to lightning-fast fluency. You've got this. Ready? Let's go! Questions about Emily's morning meeting and the phrases. Question 1. What day of the week was Emily's meeting? Pause the video now. Try to answer aloud. Possible answer. It was Monday. Question 2. What did Emily forget for her meeting? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. She forgot her notebook. Question 3. What did Emily say when she realized her mistake? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. She said, "Oh, my bad." Question 4. Who helped Emily with a notebook? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Her colleague, Mark. Question 5. What did Mark say to show it wasn't a problem? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. He said, "No biggie." Question 6. What was the team discussing in the meeting? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. A new project or a complex part of a plan. Question 7. What did Emily ask to make sure everyone understood the deadlines? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. She asked, "Is everyone on the same page?" Question 8. What did Mark ask Emily after the meeting? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. He asked what the big project was about. Question 9. How did Emily start her summary of the project? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. She started with long story short. Question 10. What was the main point of the project according to Emily's summary? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. They're launching a new product next month. Question 11. What kind of decision did Emily have to make in the afternoon? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. A big decision about a design change. Question 12. What did Emily's boss suggest she do before deciding? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Her boss told her to sleep on it. Question 13. What does sleep on it mean? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. It means to think about it overnight before deciding. Fantastic work, challengers! You just crushed another episode. By practicing story comprehension questions with instant answers, you're not just understanding more, you're building the mental muscles to speak faster and more naturally. This is the core of true fluency, processing English without the need for translation. And you learned 5 new phrases. Your challenge for day 7 is to listen to conversations around you, even if they're not in English, and try to summarize them quickly using long story short and practice saying "my bad" for small mistakes if you make any. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the 5 new phrases from today's episode is your favorite and why? Share it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Enlighten Pro, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single day of our challenge. This is Enlighten Pro, your daily English boost. You've got this. I believe in you. I'll see you in episode 8. Keep thinking in English, keep growing, and always remember, your voice matters.